So number 13 says to solve the following inequality. Now, for the most part, these should be pretty easy. It's just like solving a regular equation. The only difference is this guy will switch directions if you ever multiply or divide both sides by a negative number. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Let's start off. I think it's going to be easy to just distribute this because notice how they're each by 3s. So if I divide 6 by 3 and 9 by 3 and then multiply by 2, that's the same thing as multiplying by 2 or 3. So let's start off there. So if I divide 6 by 3, that gives me 2 times 2 is 4x. 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 2 is 6, so that's going to be minus 6. Then we still have that plus 4 that was on the outside. And then on the other side of the equation, we have that 5x plus 1. Now let's go ahead. We're going to combine these two, make it a negative 2, negative 6 and positive 4. Now I'm going to try to get everything to the same side. So I'm going to subtract my 4 to this side. Actually, it looks like the x is over here. So yeah, you know what? We're going to get x myself. So subtract x to this side, subtract 4x from both sides. That gives me 5x my side is just x. And I'm going to subtract the 1 from both sides as well. So we have this negative 2 from combining those two, minus this will be negative 3. So we end up having that x is less than negative 3. Now be careful because the x is on the left-hand side over here, so you kind of got to flip the whole thing, but still make the point face towards the x. So this is our final answer, which means we're looking at D.